subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video.
Moni is doing really well. We are not like friends.
चलो शुरू करते हैं.
This is Pallavi.
Hi Pallavi.
Natural background जो Zoom पे मिलता है हमको.
Nice.
Will you be my best friend, please?
Pallavi, yes.
Hello. आपकी वीडियो स्टॉप हो गया. Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi and a very happy new year to all of you. The first guest that I have in the first week of this new year is none other than the supremely gorgeous and talented Hina Khan, as you might have read in the title already. So let's go speak to her. Come on. Welcome to Bollywood Zoomies with Pallavi. But my first question to everyone who comes on my show is, are you wearing pants?
Oh man.
Same. I'm sitting cross-legged, so I can't even like do that. Same. You're winning this virtual promotion.
I swear, man. What an important question to ask.
So I want to know maybe the top 3 things on your wish list.
One, I want to take my parents to America. Then I want to go to Iceland. And yeah, of course, I'm nominated for Filmfare. I would like to have a black lady home.
That's amazing. But I have to ask you, you recently traveled to Maldives. We've been stalking you. How was that? And also, like, what are your travel essentials?
Depends. Filhal, सबसे बड़ा essential when you travel is the sanitizer, Filhal, and mask. But if it's a beach holiday, I have to have at least 7 pair of hats. And I've discovered this new love for scrunchies. So if you'll see my pictures, I have done everything possible I could, from footwear to different scrunchies to hats to headbands to different outfits, bikinis, monokinis, kaftans. I love kaftans. I've done everything. I just wanted to put out everything that, dude, this is my beachwear. Go for it. And I have so many pictures which are not even posted. There are so many pictures.
Hina, I have to ask you to maybe rewind a little bit. And maybe when do you have a defining moment when you were doing a scene or when you were talking to someone or watching a movie that you realized ki, oh my God, acting is something that I want to do, that there's something that I'm passionate about, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life?
Oh, no, sweetheart. Pallavi, never wanted to become an actor. I wanted to become a journalist. So,
wow.
Yes, madam. So I always was fascinated about being on field and doing these things. Bachpan mein aisa hota tha ki, oh my God, koi attack hoga and I'll be there with the boom. And now this is happening. I'm going to take risks and वो सब चीजें सोचती थी मैं. I was this big Barkha fan. So I never wanted to become an actor. It just happened.
Wow, such a talent that we got to discover. Okay, so now I have a segment called Yours Virtually, where we do things that we are used to doing in real life, but now we're doing it virtually because pandemic chal raha hai. So are you ready?
Yeah, nervous, ready.
So basically, you are Kamalika.
You're obsessed with Kamalika.
I swear to God.
Yeah, I see that.
But
every time.
You're Kamalika, and Kamalika's got hot soup in front of her, and she's just tasted it. And go.
By the way, I'm tasting coffee.
Too good.
Okay.
Too good, yeah. Okay, if you were to choose any Bollywood movie from any era, that you wish you could be a part of?
Hum Tum.
Ooh, fun!
That's very me, fun. Then I would choose Devdas.
Wow.
Because I love these dramatic Indian looks. I think I can maybe do justice to it. Tamasha.
Oh, so cool. Okay, if you were stranded on a deserted island and you could only take 3 things with you, what would you take?
So I wouldn't opt for a mask and sanitizer because since I'm alone, and so I would rather go for a sunscreen because you got to keep your skin right. And then I would choose, I think not one, I would go for many portable chargers to charge my phone and earbuds.
Okay, to keep yourself entertained. That works.
Music, sunscreen, and sun.
Absolutely. Solar vacation ho gaya. Okay, and finally, you can give a shout out to any of your contemporaries, someone you think who's doing amazingly well, anybody.
I think all of them are doing really well. Like I keep checking their Instagram and everything. I get to know how they're doing. I think Moni is doing really well. I like her. We are not like friends. But whenever we meet, we are very cordial and very warm to each other, and we really appreciate. I think that's what is important, and that's what I believe in, to like lift each other. So I think Moni is doing really well, and I like the kind of work she does. And Karishma Tanna, I really like, and I'm a forever PC fan. So yeah, I mean, PC ke saath to we can't even compare.
Thank you so much, Hina. It's so lovely talking to you always. And all the best for Wishlist. It looks absolutely amazing. It's going to be great.
Thank you.
So, and take care of yourself and your family.
You too. Stay healthy and look fab the way you do.
You too. Bye-bye.
So until next Tuesday, make sure you guys like this video, share it with your friends so everybody knows that this is happening, and subscribe to our channel.